Last week I bought puts on gold. While the long-term trend is still bullish, both the monthly and weekly SAR are currently bearish. The daily 21 and 89 EMA structure is bearish as well. Then I dropped to the 4-hour chart. Once price rallied back into the 4-hour 89 EMA from underneath, I used that as my entry trigger. The setup came from XAUUSD. That's the chart I used to evaluate the gold market, but the position itself was in GDX. I wanted exposure. I just wasn't willing to size it like one of my S&P trades. The setup was there. The position size just reflected the uncertainty. If you want to see the exact position, sizing, and ongoing results, I'll keep everything updated inside the Market Arsenal spreadsheet linked below. That's where you'll find the trade details and any future updates as the position develops. Take what helps and go build your own arsenal.